Today we are going to present our poster. So here we have our September 17th poster. So we're going to open up this. We're going to read our agenda for the day. So read through your agenda, fill out the attendance question, finish Google Drawing poster from yesterday, add a screenshot of your poster to a discussion board, add video or audio of you presenting your poster to the discussion board, commenting on other people's posters, filling out the star slide for today, and then I've now added some helpful pink tabs here, just as a little, oh, what do I do next? Read the pink thing. So now click Start New Attempt to get started. So let's start new attempt. All right, so I am now going to add a link to the attendance question right in the quiz, just so you don't forget. Yesterday, like 7 people forgot, meaning 7 people got a notification to their parents saying, hey, your kid wasn't in class, which you probably were, you just didn't fill out the attendance question. So, fill out the attendance question. You can click right there, watch this video, then answer, yes, I am here. For you, they'll show up, yes, I'm here. Then you're going to watch the video. Again, this video is right there. And then I watched the instruction video today. Click next page when done. Again, helpful pink text. Next page. Open up your scientist poster from yesterday. So open your Google Drive and search scientist poster, and it might show up in your recents. So if you want to find your scientist poster, you're like, Ms. Coleman, I can't remember where I left it yesterday. Everything's in the drive. You can do one of 2 things. Hopefully you have the Google Drive bookmarked over here, or if you go over to these 3 dots in a new tab, that's all your Google apps, you can open up the Google Drive that way. So anything you've worked on in Google Drive will always still be in your Google Drive. It auto-saves everything. So you can go over here and look up scientist poster. And then you probably have a copy of scientist poster template as your poster name. So find yours, I have a couple, and open that up. Once you have finished it, come back here, click I finished my poster from yesterday, and go to your next page. So before you click to go to the discussion board, go ahead and watch this first on how to add or post to a discussion board. So watch that, then go to your discussion board. On this discussion board, you'll notice the first thing you see is the rubric. It doesn't look exactly the same as the one in the assignment yesterday, just because I can't put colors in Schoology, but it all has exactly the same thing. So like adjectives. Do you have 2 adjectives and the reason you chose those adjectives? 4 out of 4, 2 adjectives are given and why you chose both of them. So this is the rubric. So again, you can double check what you're doing and make sure that you're going to get 20 out of 20 on all of your poster items. So this is your discussion board. Watch the video on how to post to it. And again, click next page when done. You've uploaded your poster to the discussion board, yay! Now let's post it. So you're going to make a video or an audio recording of yourself presenting your poster. So most likely what you're going to want to do, watch this video first. If you have any questions on how do I do this, watch that video first before you ask any questions. So watch the video, and then you're going to want to have your poster open in one tab and the discussion board open in another so that you can record in this tab. You can even go like this, move that over to the side, move this one over to the side. So you can make a recording over here, but then also see your poster over here. So if you're wondering how to do that, that's how you do that. Now, to make a recording of yourself, you can do a couple of different things. One, you can do just like this. You can just talk straight to the camera. Two, you can find a spot either in the classroom if you're in the classroom or at home if you're at home and pretend that you're presenting. Although because you're farther away from the camera, make sure you talk a little bit louder. So find how you would like to do that. If you're doing an audio recording, it'll be just like this. A fun blank screen and words. Click next page when done. Next page. Now that you've added your video or audio, it's time to do a gallery scroll instead of a gallery walk. So you have to look at the poster and presentation of at least 5 classmates. Try to look at all of them, especially if you have a smaller class. And then you have to comment on at least 3 of your classmates' posts. You have to say one thing they did well and one thing you found interesting. So at least 3. If you want to comment on every single one just because you want to show your appreciation for your classmates, I would suggest doing that. Try to share the love as much as you can by commenting on some nice things that your classmates have done. Click next page when done. Yay, you finished your scientist project! I put a cute video in there because it's probably a good time for a cute video. Click next page when done. You can probably sense a theme with the pink text. Now, fill out the Thursday slide for your star slides. This is how you find it. I think I'm actually going to include a video in here on how to access your star slides. If you have any questions about that, I think I'm going to put this here. And then click here to go to your star slides assignment. Then make sure you come back here for one more thing. Whenever you go out to do something else, make sure you come back. Click next page when done. And here, these are the things you should have done today. If you haven't done something on this list, hit the back button at the bottom until you see the directions on how to do that. So these are all the things you should have done today. If you didn't do any of these, go back and do them. When you are done, click Review Answers, then Submit. So when you're done, click Review Answers, then click Submit when you're ready. I've noticed that some students have been completing the assignment, but not hitting Submit, so I can't look at it. So you might have a beautiful research from Tuesday, a research page, but because you didn't get to this Submit stage and press Submit, I can't see it, and tomorrow, well, I guess today for you guys, tomorrow for me, you're going to see that it's going to be missing. So please make sure to go back and hit Submit, and then it'll no longer be missing. All right, so I think that's everything for today. If you have any questions about anything, one, rewatch this instruction video. Watch instruction videos throughout the lovely, lovely assignment I have here. And then